Say, I can't stop. So baby, for me. Uy, sabay! Ano mo ng upok noon na gamit? Ay, ok. Kanang cockroach, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The cockroach is made God because the cockroach is scrolling around the table, around the cabinet. That's why he and she important cockroach. In short, gihimo ang ok para mahalin ang mga baligyang nga baygon sa tindahan.
Oh.
Alright.
Ya, panalamok. Anong gihimo mo na?
Lamok. Anong gihimo na?
Oh.
Lamok is we talk about that English, so mosquito. That's why we called mosquito. The mosquito is made to be God because the mosquito is bite to your skin, and your skin is red ball, like bruting, and that's why we cause dengue. So we can have a mosquito in our Philippines, in our earth, in our whole world, because the mosquito is very important. That's why many people around the street or around the background like ting, palo the skin because the mosquito is so humble. That's right.
Ya. Anong gihimo mo nang ilaga? Sa ko'y gamit ana?
Ay, ilaga. That's we called mouse, right?
Yes, mouse.
Oh. The mouse is very important. And kanang samot na o kanang you should to be internet. So you're not complete to internet if you don't have a keyboard and mouse. Like mouse is beside the keyboard. Like scrolling you the mouse. That's the mouse. So very important. The ilaga mouse. Very important to have internet, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, Google. So we can use the mouse. That's right. That's why the mouse is very important and make to the God. Alright.
Ya ka langaw. Saan sa gamit ana?
Ang langaw. That's we called what's the English of langaw? Langaw is small b. Oh, small b. Like, will you be my girlfriend? Wow.
Oh.
Lol. Bitaw, langaw. Why we should born the langaw because the langaw is very important. Many of people or pupil or human or any kind of one. Oh, wow. The difficulties of our reality. So that's why we call the langaw. So many people no work, no duty. So that's why we call going to part-time job in Mercado. That's why people going out the job that like pushing or packing the langaw in the Mercado. That's why the langaw cannot flying on the carne, on the pig,
the
fish. So that the langaw is dirty. That's why we gihimo ang langaw para na mga tao nga mga kuhag trabaho nga tig patpat sa mga langaw. That's why the environment, the pollution, the global warming is cause our environment, the langaw. That's why the langaw is very important.
Ang langaw, ang upok, ug ang lamok, mulupad. Bird na sila.
Trivia tayo.
Yeah.
Kanang langaw, okok,
Lamok.
ug lamok. Di na sila. Why not we should say bird? Because the bird is big and clean and flying over the sky and landing into the tree. The langaw,
Sometimes in the poste.
yeah, right.
Okay.
You're right. I'm left. Langaw, okok, lamok is a very underground fly. She or he not fly around and over the sky like bird. The cockroach is fly 25 miles an hour and 5 kilometers over there and just jump in the window and in the cabinet. The langaw is just flying the meat and transfer to the non-biodegradable and biodegradable trash can. The mosquito is bite to other people and living into the water, like the water in the tire. The tire is going fall down and if the rain is falling down, so many mosquito burning or pregnant. That's why many babies to absorb and he or she too big and to bite another people. That's called dengue. That's right. The mosquito, langaw, and cockroach is not a bird. Right, not a bird. The bird is clean and flying around how many hours?
Kilometers.
That's right. Right.